Have you ever looked at a math problem and thought math just isn't mathing? Is it 1 or 9? Let us get into it. This exact equation went viral, completely breaking the internet. Millions of smart adults argued over it, splitting into two totally different camps. One side swore the answer is 1. The other side is ready to fight to prove it is 9. They can't be both right. Okay? Today, we are breaking down these viral traps where our brains completely betray us. Let us see if you can escape them. Take a second. Look at the board. What is your gut reaction? 1 or 9? Maths indeed lied to us. But let us solve this together, step by step. To fix maths when it isn't mathing, we need our golden rule, order of operations. You might know it have PEMDAS or BODMAS. B or P, that is bracket or parenthesis. E or O, exponents or orders. M or D or M, multiplication and division or division and multiplication. A or S or A, addition and subtraction or subtraction or addition. Rule number 1, we always undo the parenthesis or bracket first. Always and always. Then what is it inside the parenthesis? 1 plus 2. Easy, right? And 1 plus 2 is simply 3. Let us rewrite the equation with that fresh piece of information. Now, wait. We have 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 3. Wait, look at this right here. This is exactly where the word splits in half. People look at 2 parenthesis 3 and think, wow, that is parenthesis. So I must multiply 2 times 3 first. If you do that, you get 6 divided by 6, which equals 1. It feels so satisfying. It feels so right. It feels right that it is 1, but it's actually a trap. Wrong. A complete illusion. Why? Because once the mass inside the parenthesis, 1 plus 2, is solved, the bracket just means one thing. That is 6 divided by 2 times 3. Okay. It feels right now. The equation is actually 6 divided by 2 times 3. It is actually means multiplication. Now look at our golden rule. Multiplication and division have the same priority. Neither is boss. When they go head to head, we must work strictly from left to right, just like reading a book. Okay? We go from left to right, just like reading a book. So, going left to right, we do 6 divided by 2. And 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Okay? Now, we bring down the remaining multiplication. That is, okay, 3. Now, and 3 times 3 gives us our true final answer. That is 9. 9 is the correct, definitive answer. If you math wasn't mathing at first, don't worry. Half the internet fell for the same trick. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep your mind sharp with us. This is M-Muak Academy, making math make sense. One step at a time, and I will see you in our next class.